Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some salad ideas with you. We're officially in spring, so that means that we're out of the hibernation season, and these salad ideas are really good for lunch or dinner, and they're filling enough to replace lunch or dinner. This first recipe is one that I'm going to share that I shared on my Instagram actually last year. So we're starting with this broccoli, kale, plantain salad. To get started, I washed and prepped my vegetables, and now I'm just going to lightly steam them for a couple of minutes in a bit of veggie stock. If you use oil, you can use that instead. I'm just using some veggie stock here to cook the vegetables slightly. I don't want these to be overcooked. I don't want them to lose their natural vibrant colors. So just for a few minutes on the cooker, and then this is what you'll end up with. This is the perfect color. I like the broccolis to still have a bit of crunch to them. The kale isn't wilted to the point where it's just cooked to death. And now I'm just going to show you the other parts to this salad. So here I have some olives, cherry tomatoes, and grilled plantain. If you don't like olives, you can replace the olives with avocado. The olives or the avocado will give your salad a nice balance of good fat. This is a lazy salad dressing that I like to use. It's lazy, but it's a good source of protein. And all I'm using here is some store-bought hummus. I actually wanted red pepper hummus for this, but I went to the shop late and they had none left. So we're using a caramelized onion hummus. And all I'm doing here actually is adding some water and a little bit of cayenne pepper. If you're a salt person, you can go in and add salt at this point, but for me, just a bit of water and cayenne pepper. The water will loosen the hummus to make it pourable and not as thick, and the cayenne pepper just for a little bit of, a little bit of fire. Just mix that all together until you get your desired consistency. Taste it to see if you want to add any salt to it. And once it's perfect, you're just going to add that to the salad. This is salad number 1. I actually ate this salad across 2 days. Yes, I know it's a huge portion, but the salad in itself with all of the different elements to it was just really filling. So on to salad number 2. For this second salad, I'm using buckwheat groats for my carbohydrates. If you don't want to use buckwheat, then use pasta instead. And I'm going to cook it in a bit of veggie stock, just to add a little bit more flavor to the buckwheat. And I've got some walnuts here to add protein to the salad. For the salad portion of this dish, I'm going to use some radish, tomatoes, bell pepper, cucumber, and spinach, and I'm just going to slice everything up, and then I'm going to make this nice dressing to go with this salad. So you'll be tasting 2 different flavors in this salad. You'll have the buckwheat and walnuts seasoned with the stock, and then you're going to have this salad dressing which will be on the salad. For this second salad dressing, you're going to need whole grain mustard, cayenne pepper, lemon juice, and to sweeten this I'm going to use some maple syrup. And with this salad dressing, I would say just play around with it until you get your desired taste. I will list in the description box the measurements that I use, but honestly just use what measurements you like until you get your desired taste. And then I just pour that onto the salad, gave it a good mix, and this is essentially salad 2 pretty much done. This was the cooked buckwheat and walnuts. I added the walnuts about 2 minutes before removing the pot from the cooker just to take away the raw edge from the walnuts. This was salad number 2. It was very filling. You can enjoy this either warm or cold. And on to salad number 3. For salad number 3, you'll need to dice all of your vegetables. And this third and final salad is a creamy butter bean salad. And I'm going to be using a dressing that I shared in a previous video. I'll link here, and it's a cashew and garlic sauce, and I'm using cayenne pepper again. I noticed that I use cayenne pepper in all 3 salad dressings. If you don't like spice, just don't use any cayenne pepper. So I've got some cashew, cayenne pepper, salt, coriander, but this also works really well with mint. And then I'm just going to blend that all together. For this dressing, I added some maple syrup just to balance the sweet and the spicy flavors. Mix that all together, and then now the final thing left to do is to put this salad together. So I added everything to the bowl, so all of my diced vegetables. I have my cooked butter beans. You can add salt at this point if you want a little bit more salt on the butter beans. And I've got some dried cranberries. If you don't like cranberries, you can use raisins or sultanas instead. And it's just a case of putting everything together and then giving it a good mix. And this is salad number 3. I also have some other salad recipes here on my channel. I've got a quinoa salad as well as an amaranth, which is an amazing grain. I've got a video for those 2 salads, which I will link in the description box as well as in the eye above now. This was salad number 3, and again, this one was filling, it was tasty, and it's best enjoyed cold. So this is definitely a cold salad that you can bring to work for lunch. If you've enjoyed this video, do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new here, and also check out the other videos I'm going to link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And let me know in the description box below if you're going to try any of these salad recipes. See you in my next video. Bye.